So right now I'm walking up the steps. We stayed on the first floor. Although the hotel does have an elevator, the hotel is only 3 floors. So we did arrive at the hotel a little early. Our room wasn't ready until 3 p.m. But when we got back to the hotel, we found our bags already inside of our room. So we did choose this hotel because it wasn't that expensive and it was fairly close to the Eiffel Tower. It was about a 10-minute walk that it took us to get to the Eiffel Tower from this hotel. Right now, this is the view from our back deck. So I couldn't find the light switch for the bathroom when I first walked in. I looked around, did not see one. Outside of the bathroom is an actual kill switch. It will cut on all the lights and also cut them off. That are stocked every day with Coke, seltzer water, and still water. Be mindful, it is not safe to drink the water out the faucets or just any water that's not bottled. This hotel does offer room service between certain hours. Although we didn't order room service, it is offered. They also offer continental breakfast in the morning. I believe you have to pay for it though.